In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track your Royal Mail parcel. First, you'll need your reference number. If you send the parcel yourself, this number can be found on the receipt you received at the post office. It's usually made up of 2 letters, 9 numbers, and then 2 more letters. If you're the recipient, you'll need to ask the sender for the tracking number, or in many cases, you may receive it in a confirmation email from the retailer. Once you have your reference number, go to the Royal Mail website and head to the Track Your Item page. Enter your reference number in the box provided, then click on Track Your Delivery. The system will then display the current status of your parcel. For example, it might show that the parcel has been posted at the post office, and later it will update when a delivery attempt has been made. If you want to keep an eye on your delivery, you can refresh the page regularly to see the latest updates. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching this video.